friends, welcome to another video. In this video I will share the most effective method of growing small bitter gourd in your house gardens. When buying vegetables, you can choose some mature bitter gourds, and you can extract the seeds from it. I am soaking the seeds overnight in water, and I am using cocoa peat to germinate the seeds. Just use your fingers and press down the seeds and cover it with little bit of cocoa peat or soil, and sprinkle a little bit of water and keep it in bright shaded area. When soaking the seeds itself, you can identify the quality of the seeds. The good quality seeds will sink in the water, and the waste one will be floating. So you can use the good one for germination. For me, it took 3 days for the seeds to germinate. Almost all the seeds germinated, and it started growing baby leaves in 5 days time. In 1 week time, I got the new seedlings ready for repotting. In 20 days time, the vines fully developed and the flowers started appearing. It also start fruiting in 20 days time. Bitter gourd got lot of medical benefits, so it's very good for improving your blood sugar levels as well as immune system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.